Hey, welcome to Algebra 2 CST release question number 24. It says which product is equivalent to, we've got 4x squared minus 16 on the top, we've got 2 minus x on the bottom. I do notice this is a difference of 2 squares, so I could factor this into 2x squared plus 4 and 2x squared minus 4. However, I think a better way, a faster way to do this is going to be to factor out what they have in common first. So I can factor out a 4 out of both of those, and it'll leave me with this. I've got this minus 4. If I multiplied that back through, I'd have 4x squared and I'd have negative 16, so that checks out. But I notice I have 2 minus x. I'm going to think of these right now as two separate problems. The top is, the numerator is one problem, the denominator is a separate problem. In the end, we'll combine them together. So on the top here, I've got x plus 2 times x minus 2, just the difference of 2 squares. On the bottom, though, I see that 2 minus x isn't quite the same as x minus 2, but it's very, very close. If I took this, think of this as being in invisible parentheses, and I factor out a minus or a negative out of there, this would be the same thing as minus a negative 2 and plus an x. If I put that back through, distribute the negative back through, you get positive 2, you get negative x. So another way to write this is like this. You have this on the bottom, a minus sign, x minus 2 down here. So by doing that, I was being sneaky, that then will cancel out with that. Very nice. All right. So what do we have left? I've got, it's like a minus 1. It's not that this becomes a 0. It becomes, there's like an invisible 1 right there. So I have this being equivalent to 4 times x plus 2 over negative 1. Something divided by negative 1, I can just put the minus sign in front. Just like that. This is choice D.